family, Autumn here. I'm bringing you December's Pura Vida unboxing video. I hope you enjoy it as much as I'm going to enjoy this wine tonight. I just want to say one thing, this package is super cute with the snow globe and the happy holidays. Love it. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay. So we have our canvas bag like we always receive. We also got another cute little envelope. So let's open it up and see what sticker we got. How cute! It's a camera, which is perfect because I just got a camera and now have a cute camera sticker. So now let's open up our canvas bag and see what kind of bracelets we got this month. Wow, this is not what I expected. I expected blue or red for more of the holiday kind of colors, and we got a black and a really beautiful crisp white. So let's go ahead and take a look at these bracelets individually. Our first one is all black with a silver chain wrapped around it. It has a couple stars, a little bit of pearls dangling from it. Our next one is tan with another beautiful silver chain link on it. I really feel like they're starting to utilize this silver and bells kind of theme for their box this week. For me, I feel like I saved the best for last. This is my first solid white bracelet that I've received, and I'm loving it. If you enjoyed my unboxing video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to see the next one. If you love these bracelets as much as I do, you can check out my link below for my family discount.